What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. Today we are going to be talking about why Apple should buy Clubhouse. Without anything else said, let's get straight into the video. So for those who don't know, Clubhouse is a social media app which is so far invitation only for iPhone users, which is basically a place where you can talk, go into little rooms with certain people and just talk about things you love. So far, I've seen a lot of tech YouTubers, a couple of my friends as well, on Clubhouse, and from what I've heard, it's pretty good. And also, there have been rumors talking about why Apple may remove Instagram and Facebook from their next iPhone 13 lineup because of how they collect your data. There's also a new feature coming into iOS which will give you the option whether you want the app to collect your data or not. And this is big for Facebook and Instagram because they basically run off collecting users' data. So the main reason being, if there is no Facebook or Instagram, Apple will have to do something about this. For example, make another social media app. Apple have made a social media app before, something to do with music in the past. However, that didn't do so well. However, if Apple do buy Clubhouse and do something amazing with Clubhouse, like add a couple new features, do a bit of rebranding and stuff like that, Clubhouse could be a big social media app in replace of Instagram or Facebook. This is just an idea I really thought of because if Apple don't do something about not having Instagram, people may leave the iPhones and switch to Android, as hard as that seems for them. Also, Apple could make this all platform so they could have it on Android phones too, just to make the reachability a bit bigger. Or maybe we do see Instagram on the future iPhones, but with the feature of not allowing the app to collect our data. In my opinion, Apple is doing the right thing because I'm not comfortable with all these companies spying on me. So if Apple do decide to replace Instagram and Facebook with their own social media app, I'm sure Apple will have to try and keep everything they have in mind with Instagram, how Instagram have their own type of DMs, posts and all of that. Apple will have to be very creative and innovative for this project because leaving Instagram and Facebook is going to be a problem. Thank you guys for watching. If you were new here and you did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe and check out the social media links in the description if you guys want to follow. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Saf Ashraf. Peace.